problem for cantilever beam. Problem 1, a simply supported beam, constant flexural rigidity and length 2L carries a concentrated load B. Okay, a simply supported beam, okay, length is 2L. Okay, here is a concentrated load P at its midspan, so middle point P, and the deflection under load is del. Okay, this is a del. If the cantilever beam of the same flexural rigidity, okay, the cantilever beam same flexural rigidity and length L, okay, length is L, subjected to load P at its free end, okay, B, then the deflection at the free end will be, okay, deflection at the free end will be, this is del 2, okay. So del equal to maximum deflection is midpoint load W L cube divided by 48 EI. This is for length L. So L by 2 means L by 2 power cube. Okay. So answer is W L cube divided by so 2 L cube means so this is 2L, okay, here 2L, so 2L means 2L cube into 8, okay, L cube into 8 divided by 48 EI. So W L cube divided by 6 EI. This is for del 1 for this one. Here cantilever beam del 2 equal to W L cube divided by 3 EI. So W L cube is L cube, okay, L is similar to L, 3 EI. So here deflection at the free end will be, so free end means del 2 divided by del 1. So del 2 is W L cube divided by 3 EI. So divided by 6 EI divided by W L cube. Answer. So del 2 by del 2 equal to 2 del, okay. Answer is 2 del, okay. So next question is two identical cantilevers are loaded as shown in the respective figures. If the slope at the free end of the cantilever is, figure is theta, the slope at the free end of the cantilever figure is F, okay, F will be, okay, figure E, figure F, this is a moment at free end and point load at free end. So moment of the cantilever is theta equal to ML divided by EI. So moment equal to PL by 2 into L, okay, divided by EI equal to PL square divided by 2 EI. So this is figure E, okay, figure F. So at point load for slope is PL square divided by 2 EI, okay. So both are theta, okay, this is a PL square by 2 EI, PL square divided by, so answer is theta, both are equal. So next is this question, a cantilever beam carries load W uniform distributed over a entire length. Okay, this is the cantilever beam over its length. If the same load is placed at the free end of the cantilever, same cantilever. Okay, if the cantilever free load, okay, the ratio of maximum deflection, okay, x 1 y max 2, okay, maximum deflection of the beam. So maximum deflection for the cantilever beam of uniform distributed load is W capital W L cubed by 80I. A cantilever beam at the free end maximum deflection is W L cubed by 3I. Okay. So ratio of first case to second case. Okay. So y1 divided by y2 first case, W L cubed by 80I divided by W L cubed by 3I. Okay. So equal to W L cubed by 80I into 3I divided by W L cube. So L cube cancel, EI cancel. So y1 by y2 equal to 3 by 8. Okay. Answer is first one. Okay, 3 by 8 is answer. Next question is, so for a cantilever beam of length L, flexural rigidity EI. Okay, the cantilever beam. Okay, free end by constant loaded W. Okay, match the list 1 with the last 2. Select the correct answer. So bending moment of the cantilever beam is M in W into L. Okay, so cantilever W into length is L. Okay, moment is W into L. So first one correct. Okay, A is 1. Next, strain energy, okay, is W L squared by second one. B is 4. Okay. A. Next, C, maximum slope of the cantilever beam is W L squared by 2EI. C equal to C is 2. So our next maximum deflection is of the cantilever is W L cubed by 3I. Okay. D is 3. Okay. So answer is A is 1. Okay, A is 1. So A and B. So B is 4. C is 2. C is 2. D is 3. So answer is B. Okay. Thank you.